Overall, the experience was really good. I've been having inflammatory acne for a very long time. The 14 days program was really good. Long term and sustainable way for this is skin yoga. I really enjoyed it. This area becomes dry and becomes oily, so it's kind of combination skin. I will try and maintain the program for the further days. I wasn't holistically following it, but I still am happy with the results. I could see the tanning has been removed, and then I was facing a lot of issues because there was inflammation in the body. Yeah, overall, I really liked the program. All the DIY masks were really nice. If you have a combination skin and if you have inflammation that is recurrent like mine, please do not try and get the usual isotretinoin course. It really damages your reproductive system for a long term. I'm myself a doctor, so I'm telling you I have experienced it. I feel like the long term way to fight off acne is to go natural instead of going with medical treatment. Skin yoga is a natural process to treat acne for a long term. You can consider skin yoga as a natural remedy or a natural treatment.